Hello viewer, here I will make it fixed, then generate the clipping mask. So there is a clipping mask we have generated there, as you can see that. So that's a design, here we have it. I will first of all remove it, then show you how to make it. First we will take the custom shape there. In this tutorial you will learn about how to make the clipping mask. So we have taken the image and then stretched it, make fixed over the shape. So that's the image we have adjusted, and we get that picture there.